Hello everyone! In this clip, we introduce a board game designed to make personal finance easier to understand. This game is called WealthyCats! A game that helps us understand finance through the balance sheet house. The goal is simple, to make yourself wealthier, meaning having the highest net worth when the game ends. For players who want to challenge themselves even more, WealthyCats can increase the fun by using a set of mission cards or quest cards, all 6 of them. The box contains a set of 6 green cards or quest cards. Each card has a mission to challenge players to complete. If successful, they will receive a special quest score of 10 points added to their net worth score. But if they fail, 5 points will be deducted. For example, if we have a net worth of 103 coins at the end of the game, that counts as 103 points. If we successfully complete the mission, we get another 10 mission points, totaling 113 points. But if our quest is not a mission, such as no loan card, the mission is considered a failure in this case. 5 points will be deducted from 113, meaning we are left with 89 points.
Oh no!
To use the green card set, players can randomly select a card before starting the game and keep it hidden, so that opponents cannot obstruct our secret mission.
Each player can choose to complete any card mission, or not choose any at all.
Sounds fun, right? But first, let's understand each mission card. If you randomly get the no loan card, the player must manage to increase their net worth without incurring debt even once throughout the game. The long-term investment quest card is about planning for assets in the diamond room to have a minimum value of 30 coins when the game ends. This is similar to the piggy bank quest card, which challenges the player to save an emergency reserve of at least 30 coins or more when the game ends. If you randomly encounter the tofu soya quest, it means the player must plan for total candy expenses not to exceed 8 coins throughout the game. For the sell goods quest card, the beautiful Jasmine cat challenges us to sell a minimum of 10,000 cookies throughout the game. Finally, the Wealthy Cat Cash Quest challenges the player to manage liquidity like a professional. When the game ends, the cash room must have a value between 5 and 10 coins only. Alright, if you're ready to play Wealthy Cats with more challenge, you can draw your secret quest now!